Hi family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to Rosy Natural. I'm doing a mini twist in this video on hair that I washed a few hours ago. I parted the front section with a comb just the way I wanted it to look and put my hair in big twists to make the work easy. After washing my hair, I sealed in moisture with my shea butter mix before twisting it up, and so I didn't have to apply any extra product during the mini twisting. Initially, I sectioned up the hair with the tail comb, but that was just for the first few twists. Later on, I just used my fingers to section up the hair and I found that easier and faster. To start, I twist the strands from the base tightly or closely together up to about an inch or two, and then for the remaining length, I twist it loosely. Twisting it loosely towards the end makes the hair a bit fluffy and also gives me the fuller look I'm going for. But twisting it close together from the base up to at least an inch of length makes it last a bit longer. I tried as much as possible to keep the sizes even though it wasn't perfect. So as I mentioned earlier, my hair was washed a while ago, let's say about 2 hours before I started the mini twist. I wanted to allow my hair to air dry for a while just so there is not so much shrinkage when I did the mini twist. Leaving the other sections in the chunky twist actually helped to retain moisture whilst I was doing the mini twists. And as I mentioned, I didn't use any extra product whilst doing the twisting, but that's a preference. You can use a gel or a curling custard to do your twists if you prefer. Personally, my hair's relationship with gel is kind of complicated. It's nice at the beginning, but towards the end, it's not that great. But my hair does well with homemade flaxseed gel, so I just make it, add it to my shea butter mix, and I'm good to go. And as you can see, this is going pretty well. I like the fact that my scalp is not showing from the part I've completed, and it makes the hair look fuller. From the big twist I just unraveled, you can see that the hair still looks well moisturized. And also, to make the twist look a bit smooth, I roll the strands between my thumb and index finger whilst I twist. This whole mini twist took me about 2 hours and 30 minutes to complete, so it's not coming down any moment soon. I want to keep it for at least 2 weeks, but whenever my hair tells me I'm ready to come down, then I'll have to take it down so I don't end up damaging the hair. Ooh, how bouncy! It actually feels light, and I really like how it felt on my head. I wanted to show you a part of the front section that I made. I still didn't use comb. I feel the fingers makes it faster and easier. But if your scalp will be showing, you might have to make nice parts, but that is if you want to. So in reality, this is how fast or maybe slow, depending on who is watching, I was actually twisting, and it took me 2.5 hours. Please note, I did not twist all the way to the end. Getting to the end, I rolled the hair all together in between my thumb and index finger. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is Rosy Natural and my name is Rose. I make videos on my natural hair journey, which includes hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. If this sounds like something you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And to my subscribers, old, new, returning, I just want to say you are simply wonderful. Thank you so much for your constant support. Thank you for always coming back to watch the videos, for liking the videos, for sharing and commenting. This is the finished look. I love the feel of mini twist on my head, like it feels light and nice. But I don't do it very often because it takes so much time. I also love the fact that I can tuck the ends away and call it a protective style. Day 3, I just put it in a roll and pin, and this is pretty much how I have protected my ends. Don't forget to click the like button if this video was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!